What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're doing slimes, and before we start, can you guys please just walk down there and smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and smash the bell thing, the ding-a-ling thing. And let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is playing using this, but first let me take it out. It's gonna take pretty long, so let's go.
Let's speed it up.
So you walk inside a bar. There's something to make you laugh. So they both get smiles were twice as wide as ours. Yeah.
Let's make our hands dirty, but don't go like this, because if you do like.
Okay.
Really? Lisa suggested not to do that.
Let's like
Go fast, go fast.
Oh.
It's gonna take ages to take off. It doesn't go on the bed.
Oh. Come on, dude. Hey.
Your hands.
Oh.
That is. Wait, let me have it. So this thing gets really sticky, so you have to go really fast. Like, don't go on the thing.
Shit.
Oh, who's this? Oh!
Please stop. It's stinging. Oh.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
No, it's just exciting.
He's gonna die. So guys, that is why you do not go slow when you're playing with slime, because like the cuts on, because it mentions enough cuts, because it really stings, but you won't die if you do have cuts. And like Rhys knows, because he had this big cut and there was slime all over, and now I don't have any slime. But please, I love you guys. I love you guys. Subscribe, like that like button, and bye.